I'm gonna dig down and I'm going to expose the rat and beam here. And you can hear the sheep in the background back there. I don't know if you can see them. So, and then I'm gonna, Mally, come here. Get on for TV world here. So we got that dug today, and I had all here. And there's the foundation stones. I love it. And they look like they're down ways.
Buddy, how are you? Hi. It's just me. And all of Mark's sheep are in my backyard. Hey, buddies. Eating all my rhubarb. Look like they want to go in the house. Better shut that door.
So, anywho, this is all stone here and stone here, right there. But this tendon right here from this sill went into this sill, which ran down there. And then this post, which is holding up this whole corner of the barn, with a lot of weight on it. What I don't like is this sill started buckling in. You could see it. It's come this way. And you can see there's not much meat left of, I'm not worried about it too much. This post here, this is the tendon for this post that goes up and Major League holds this thing together. And the other sill over there comes in to this way, and then that sill there had a tendon that went in too, or the mortise was here, and this tendon sat down in it. As you can see, it's all gone. But in the inside, there's very little holding it up. But the meat of there's a lot of good meat on this post. I mean, that's in really great shape. So we're gonna have to reset that cornerstone. Nothing to it except forward to do it. Yeah. Dug that all out. That's all going to be replaced. That's leaning, holding that. That's holding that. See, I put a jack there because I took some of the sill out. I'm starting to get real worried about this side starting to come down a little bit. As you can see, this is really starting to collapse. So I'm going to go play golf, but when I come back, I'm going to support this a lot better. Should be a nice evening to do it. I got some screw jacks hanging on this whole thing. I just dug this out. I'm going to try to build the foundation up now. Got this one here I'm putting in. Whew, I'm out of breath because I've been moving. Oh, those are small ones. Dig up all these stones that have frosted out. I'm bringing all these over. These aren't that light, and hope I don't break my back doing it. What to do? Can't wait for Yaglou to get here to get working on this. I mean, he just takes all the stress out of my life, and I'm just gonna be so happy when he gets here. Back from a long hiatus. He brought his jackhammer, this funky jack here. What are these called, Pete? Push and pull?
Push and pull, jack.
Pull and push. And the big thing today is we got to feel the love today because we got to get all this old sill out. But I'm in charge of getting this stump out. I got to dig down and dig down and dig down. I'm so happy he's here.
We got a boombox.
A boombox?
So after we unloaded, Pete wasn't feeling the love and took a nap and then went home.
He's going to be here bright and ugly in the morning. I'm doing this by hand and I'm getting all these rocks out. I've already gone through 2 t-shirts of sweat. Whew, man, am I hot and tired. But it's only 9:30. Yaglou isn't showed up yet because he's not feeling the love. Once we get this one out, which is going to be dangerous because it's holding up the sill, we're on our way. I can't get this out to get up there, and I'm not weak. I got some muscles, you know. I'm not weak at all. But that's hard. Wait till Pete comes. He'll take it out with one hand. Just wipe the sweat off, and I'm just drenched to the bone. And Pete's coming soon. Holy shit. So now it's about noon, and there's no Pete yet. I mean, that's a pretty good rack. That's the one. You know, dug all those out. Oh my God. Oh, it's only 10 pounds. Boy, freaking heavy though. And you know, got these muscles to knock it out with. Pete gets here. Yaglou, the man. We're gonna see if we can sledgehammer that one out. Pete just called me. Says he's not feeling the love, but he's coming anyhow. We need it to be dry in a few weeks, so I'm gonna let the air whistle through it and just waiting for Pete. Where the hell are ya, little man? What I couldn't do today, he took that one stone out in one flash. That works pretty damn good, man. This is real interesting. This is the tendon for going up the post. This rat sill here, there was a tendon here, and it went into this part of the sill, but it was up higher. So it was tendon coming this way and tendon coming down, and that's how the posts were held. So this is the old sill. Oh, that's not good. No D in tendon, Pete says. Oh well, I can't talk anyhow. And Pete just said, "Here we go. We got it."
No, we ain't got it.
We ain't got it.
We're getting closer all the time.
I'm telling you, Pete, this thing's coming out right now. All you gotta do is a couple more places we'll be able to lift that stump out. It's moving a lot, a real lot.
I'm telling you, that
No, I'm telling you, Pete, it moved a ton. There's another one there for a fulcrum. I'm gonna try to get this out. I'm sitting on it to relieve a little weight. Oh yeah, this could be the jackpot, Pete. Pete thinks if we get this one out, oh man. We just used 2 fulcrums, 2 pry bars, and we're gonna get to the roots on this one. There it is. It's out. Lickety split. After about 7 hours of doing this, went inside to get a gin and tonic. So I've been working 11 hours, and I come out, and Pete's got the freaking thing done.
Hey, how much chain you get around?
Chainsaw?
Chain.
Oh, I got some chain, yeah.
All right, I'll back my truck up. We'll yank this fucker right out of here.
Think we can do it?
I know we can.
So we're pulling it out. Here we go, if it works. I hope there's no problems, man, do I hope. And then we're going to eat. Bringing Pete to a fancy restaurant tonight. He doesn't know it. We're gonna go dirty. Shirts and shoes required, that's it. Oh man, I'm too tired to even film this. Lucky we didn't kick those foundation stones over. Then we'd be working all night. Irby, this is gonna be a big cuff day. Huge. Look at this. Oh, it's gotta be. Been digging all day and I am tired. Oh. Whew, can't even be funny about this.